Hey YouTube, I am here at the Golden Inca Cusco Hotel and I'm enjoying the breakfast here. I thought I'd just show you what that looks like. There's tea, the anise de curahuasi, papaya juice, a fried egg, some kind of local bread, tomato, olive, cucumber, and then butter for the bread. I had this maybe 3 days ago and I was really satisfied. Of course they have sugar, salt, and pepper, and yeah, it comes with the booking of the room here, so definitely worthwhile to stay here, and I highly recommend it. And in today's video, I want to do another room tour. I'm staying again at the Golden Inca Hotel here in Cusco, Peru. And I'm at room 307, 3007. And I got a free upgrade here to a nicer room. I asked for a tranquillo room, a quiet room. And the gentleman at the front desk was very generous. I think I arrived at like 9 p.m. And he just went ahead and upgraded me. Now, I will say, this is a little bit more space and beds than I need for myself, but I'm not going to complain because it's a wonderful place. So you see here, we're kind of in the lobby of this family style room. They've got these 2 chairs, a small desk or table there for eating. Here you have a place to store your clothing. We'll just go ahead and open this wardrobe up. So they've got the hangers, they've got a place to store your jackets, clothing, etc. They've got a couple of lower drawers down there. I'll show you the view too before we head out from this room. So the view here is just the courtyard. Ooh, it's chilly. So I'm up here on the 3rd floor, and fortunately they don't have an elevator, but that's one thing to keep in mind if you stay here at the Golden Inca. If you do have some perhaps knee or other impediments, here they've got the standard placard. If you're staying here for more than one night, you can leave that out if you don't want them to clean. And here's the bathroom. Just a really nice bathroom. It looks to be updated recently, in like I'd say the last 5 years or so. The craftsmanship I've noticed here is good. You notice there the lines are even, and yeah, it's well built. Yeah, so got the mirror. Tons of plugs here in this hotel. If you are somebody that needs to charge things, they're very generous with the places to plug in. Here I'm charging my Bose noise canceling headphones. I highly recommend those for travelers who are sensitive to noise like I am. Of course, we have a sink, hot and cold water, your standard toilet, towel rack, and the shower here. And the water here in Cusco, I've noticed, is generally hot. And if you're somebody that likes to take a hot shower, understand that you may have to wait a little bit for the water to heat up. But it's going to be worthwhile. It's not going to be a place, at least in this hotel, that you're going to deal with a freezing cold shower. Of course, we always want to follow that rule to not throw trash or paper towels in the toilet. The toilets here, from my understanding, many of them cannot handle the flushing of toilet paper. So this is the family room. Of course, I had booked a single. The standard price on that single is, I think it's $22 per night, but I booked with points. So I use credit cards advantageously to accrue points that I use to pay for my various needs during travel. So mostly I use those points on flights, but in this case, I wanted a quieter room than at the hostel I was staying. And this is what I've got. I'm really happy with it. So you've got, it looks like, 2 doubles and 2 full-size beds here. So if you're somebody that's traveling with a family, perhaps you have a wife, children, or husband, children, and you are looking to have more space, this Hotel Golden Inca does have that. The beds are quite comfortable. I sleep really well here. And like I mentioned before, you got plenty of plugs here, lights. And then this is just another courtyard view. It's really not a big deal to me. To me, as far as views go, I'm spending so much time outside and filming and things that it's not really a major deal to me to not have a view from my hotel room. Is it nice? Absolutely. I love beautiful views, but it's not a requisite for me to be happy. So yeah, I think I will try to show you the lobby, and then we'll wrap up. So I wanted to do a bed test as a shout out to Dave and Tanya from Turn It Up World. I think that those people are so talented. I think they're so talented, and I love their videos, and I hope that they appreciate my shout out with the bed test. It's not going to be a regular feature. It's definitely their idea from what I can tell, but I just love their channel and love what they're doing. I'm here at the Golden Inca Hotel and checking out. I'll be back in about 5 days. I loved this hotel. This hotel was wonderful.